how to ride a bike like this one. So I'll turn it up. One, two, start by turning. So like this, sharp turns, like this, sharp, 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 sharp. Then you're gonna start with the little turns. Little turn, little turn, little turn, little turn. Then you go straight. So straight is one of the most important things to learn how to ride a bike. So now you're ready to sit on your bike. To sit on your bike, you just do this and go. Put one foot on the pedal, one foot on the ground. So now you're ready to put the pedal to the metal. So somebody will help me. Anybody? Oh, hi. Hey. Okay, so are you ready? I'm ready. Oh no, thunder. Okay, let's go. Hey there, kid, are you alright? No. I hate that. Well, we better get you to I hate that. I hate that. Oh, kids these days. Go away. Go away.